Most people think that exporting leads from Sales Navigator is simple as clicking a button. But here's the thing. What if I told you that doing that is exactly why you're getting inaccurate data? In this video, I'm going to show you how to export leads without bid data, plus how to clean, qualify, and find professional emails that actually work, and how to enrich your existing leads, making sure that they are up to date. For a quick context of who you're listening to, I help consultants and agencies improve their internal lead generation processes so that everything works really good and you get results like this. Even though LinkedIn is absolutely amazing to find prospects, there are two main issues with it. The first one, you cannot download data freely, so you need a third-party tool, and I'll get back to that in a moment. The second thing is that the data it provides us is not very accurate. In fact, anywhere between 20 to 30% of leads can potentially be mismatched once you download them. This is why you need a smart tool that will help you to qualify these leads once you download them. And for this purpose, I recommend you use a tool called Evaboot. I first came across this tool a couple of years ago, and then I actually met the co-founder of the tool, JB. We did an interview together. The tool works great and is very simple to use. So to get started, you would first go to Chrome Web Store and get the Evaboot Chrome extension. And as you can see, there are more than 50,000 users and the average grade is 4.7, which is amazing. Get the extension, and then once you get it, you go back to the Sales Navigator. Here, as you can see, I already got my list, but of course you can use the role, personal data, etc. to add more people here. I also highly recommend using this posted on LinkedIn filter, because this filter will help you to find really active accounts. So these are people that actually show up on LinkedIn and produce some content. Maybe they repost stuff, maybe they post content, whatever it is, they still show up, they're fairly active. So if you're really looking to get the most responsive people out there, use this filter here. Once you've got everything cleaned up in Sales Navigator and you've got Evaboot Chrome extension installed, you'll see the button here. It says export with Evaboot. You're going to click this button and it will prompt the web application to load. A couple of seconds later, you end up on this screen and you've got two options here. You can select either export no emails, just LinkedIn data, or you can pick the option with the emails and have their emails also downloaded with LinkedIn data together. You choose whatever you're looking for. Once you have it downloaded, the system, Evaboot, will send you an email, let you know that it is all done, and you will end up in this screen. This is the dashboard of Evaboot. And to get those prospects, you're going to click this download button right here. If you have picked, in this case, I've got a couple of different ones picked. Yeah, so in this case, I only picked download LinkedIn data. And then if I wish to find emails at some stage for this data, I can click find emails. Now, I will show you what is the output here. In this case, I have it all taken out, all the personal information, so that I can show it on the video here, but you get the same file. In this case, the first column is the match filters. Essentially, this is Evaboot telling you that the data is found is accurate. So the leads that you were looking on LinkedIn Sales Navigator, they comply to the filters you picked. If there's a no match, you will say match filter will say no, and it will actually give you a reason why. For example, wrong company size. Yeah, you say that you only want people that work in companies that are anywhere between 11 to 50, but you end up having with a prospect that works in a company that is 51 to 200 employees, and it will show you reasons for no matching. Then it has all the obviously personal data, first name, last name, company name, and if you scroll, you can see a ton of filters right here. So Evaboot is checking a lot, and then it also has information like, do they use premium account for LinkedIn? False is false. They're not using LinkedIn Sales Navigator. If it's true, they are using LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So again, you can find people that are a bit more active on LinkedIn, and all sorts of other data like industry, current job titles, current positions. This is the first part. Now, if you wish, say you've got the data already sitting somewhere and this data has been already out there for 6+ months, it's important to know that people, and they change their jobs, and depending on the list size, you can end up with a fairly big amount of people with their data that is not accurate anymore because they switched their jobs, changed something, emails have changed in the company, whatever it is. In fact, JB sent me this data that somewhere like 22% of all the leads within 1 year, they become obsolete So you have to go out there and search for them once again. And this is where this feature of URL enrichment comes in place. And what you need to do here is you simply upload the file, and then, or you can paste their LinkedIn URLs right here, and then find the emails, and it will automatically enrich the list for you. So you've got the updated data that is once again a lot cleaner, so you can use it for your outreach purposes, get more response rates, and actually get in touch with people without burning your outreach emails if that's what you're using. Both of those features are extremely useful, so choose them depending on where you're at right now, and let me know how it goes. Also, let me know if you got any questions, leave the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.